in my local weapon shop, Walmart, searching for this beauty right here. This one right here in the front.
If you want that one.
Sure, I could just do that one.
Okay.
The flip action is alright. It has a little bit of tension to it. It's a little bit tight. This is a 3CR13 stainless steel. In other words, very low end. It was $13. The ultimate purpose of this knife is to fight off rust. Very dull. The handle is a glass-filled nylon handle with a standard pocket clip. Overall rating, it's worth $10 on a good day.